How do humans impact wetland ecosystems? Imagine a place where land and water come together, teeming with life and helping keep our environment healthy. Wetlands are these special areas, and humans have a big effect on them. Sometimes that effect is harmful, changing how wetlands work and what they can do. One major way humans impact wetlands is by changing the water flow. When people build roads, houses, or farms, they often drain wetlands or fill them with soil. This turns wet, muddy areas into dry land, which can hurt the plants and animals that rely on water. For example, building dams or dikes can block water from moving naturally, which disrupts the wetlands balance. Draining wetlands for farming removes the water needed for plants to grow, and that can lead to fewer animals living there. Pollution is another big problem. When farms use fertilizers or animal waste, these substances can wash into wetlands. This causes too many nutrients in the water, leading to algae blooms. These algae block sunlight and use up oxygen when they decay, creating dead zones where fish and other animals cannot survive. Chemicals like pesticides and heavy metals can also poison wetland plants and animals. Soil erosion from construction or farming can send sediment into wetlands, burying plants and making it harder for water to stay clean and flow smoothly. Humans also destroy or fragment wetlands as cities grow. When towns expand, wetlands can be filled in or broken into smaller patches. This reduces the space for wildlife and makes it harder for species to find mates or food. Buffer zones are areas around wetlands that help protect them from pollution and disturbance. When these zones are lost because of development, wetlands become more vulnerable to damage. Climate change, driven by human activities, also affects wetlands. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns can cause wetlands to dry out more often or flood more frequently. Sea level rise can push salty ocean water into freshwater wetlands, which can harm plants and animals that cannot handle salt. Warmer temperatures can speed up the breakdown of organic material in wetland soils, releasing greenhouse gases into the air and contributing to global warming. Despite these challenges, people can help wetlands recover. Restoring damaged areas, controlling pollution, and protecting buffer zones are important steps. Learning through activities like visiting local wetlands, testing water quality, or planting native wetland plants can help students see how vital wetlands are and why they need our care. In the end, humans impact wetlands in many ways, from changing water flow and polluting water to destroying habitats and affecting climate. These actions can reduce wetlands' ability to support wildlife, clean water, and protect us from floods. Learning about wetlands through hands-on activities helps students understand their importance and how they can help keep these areas healthy.